here's my my follow-up to that initial thoughts, where yes, I was absolutely loving it, and now, you know, I'm like, okay, well, yeah, there are some downsides, so it's not perfect. Okay, so here we are. I had to stop on the side of the road for 5 minutes because, well, I was trying to get the stinking mic paired back up. For some reason, it lost its pair. I don't know why. I wanted to get the recording going again because, you know, this whole setup with the wireless mic is not perfect. First thing, placement with the modular helmet. I think I got to find a little bit more secure place for it to go. I've been out on the road all day, multiple times. You know, I've lifted the front portion of the helmet because it's a modular helmet, so you know, you got to enjoy the perks of being able to do that. Well, where I had the mic position, it was hitting the inside and popping the mic off of the magnet, so not ideal. Not that big of a deal. I will have to find someplace else, or maybe just another solution. No big deal. This is, you know, the first time out, it was all testing. So now we're in the real world. Now the second downside that I just experienced there was the mic turned off, so I had to turn it back on. When I turned it back on, it didn't end up automatically pairing back to the camera. So I know the procedure, and I thought I was following the procedure, but apparently it just wasn't finding it. It didn't want to connect for some dumb reason. I don't know. So a couple little minor quirks there with using this system. Overall though, I still think it's better than having to worry about wires dangling off of my helmet to a lab mic. The wireless is really nice. The other nice part is the mic 2 saves the backup recording. Not that it would really matter on the bike because the camera and the microphone are so close, you're not going to lose. Well, theoretically, you shouldn't lose Bluetooth connectivity. But so far, yeah, I'm still liking the setup here with the wireless. You know, there's still a few bugs that need to be worked out. And whenever you change up a motovlog setup, you're going to have to do that. So here's my my follow-up to that initial thoughts, where yes, I was absolutely loving it, and now, you know, I'm like, okay, well, yeah, there are some downsides, so it's not perfect. But we're gonna work on getting the bugs worked out and continue on. Hopefully, you know, the audio is still sounding pretty good. The nice part though also with this is when I start and stop the recording on the camera, it starts and stops recording with the mic at the same time, so it's all synced up. Really nice. I am going to continue my ride here. I've been out here since, I don't know, 10:30 this morning. What is it, 3:15? We've gone about 143 miles, kind of went all over the place. I recorded a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm probably not even going to bother using it because it really didn't. It wasn't good. This stuff I'll use only because it is a follow-up to changing of the motovlog setup. Hope everybody's having a great summer. You guys get out and ride. Also, hit that like, subscribe, come back for more. See you on the next one.